Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by Skilled MBA. Adobe's strategic response to generative artificial intelligence involved integrating artificial intelligence capabilities into their Creative Cloud suite, enhancing tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. They focused on collaboration with artificial intelligence startups and invested in artificial intelligence research to stay competitive. This approach allowed Adobe to maintain market leadership while adapting to the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence landscape. By late 2022, generative AI tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion revolutionized the creative industry. DALL-E enabled instant visual creation from text, Midjourney offered high-quality artistic renderings, and Stable Diffusion democratized AI image generation, allowing widespread access to professional-quality visuals. These innovations reshaped creative processes and posed strategic challenges for industry leaders. Adobe CEO Shantanu Narayan faces a strategic dilemma with generative artificial intelligence. It offers opportunities to enhance Adobe's creative suite, empowering professionals. However, there's a threat of obsolescence as artificial intelligence democratizes creativity. The challenge is to innovate while maintaining Adobe's premium positioning and preserving trust with its professional customer base. Adobe faces strategic choices in navigating generative artificial intelligence. Partnering or acquiring generative artificial intelligence firms offers rapid market entry but risks brand control. Building in-house ensures full technology control and seamless integration, though it requires time. Alternatively, a wait-and-see approach leverages existing strengths but risks lagging behind in innovation. Adobe's reputation is built on trust, a key asset developed over 40 years by respecting creators' rights. However, generative artificial intelligence presents challenges. Artificial intelligence models often use unpermitted artwork, sparking artist backlash and concerns over copyright and compensation. These issues threaten Adobe's trusted status, necessitating careful navigation of legal and ethical landscapes. Adobe faces the challenge of innovating responsibly with generative artificial intelligence, balancing speed to market with ethical considerations. Key issues include sourcing training data, ensuring creator compensation, and proper attribution. Integration into existing workflows is crucial, as professional users demand seamless enhancements that respect their values and address ethical concerns. Adobe's Firefly, a generative AI engine, is trained on Adobe stock, public domain, and licensed content, ensuring ethical data use. It features content credentials for transparency, marking AI-generated content. Integrated into Photoshop, Illustrator, and Express, Firefly enhances workflows, aligning with Adobe's values and strategic goals. Adobe's Firefly stands out with a trust-first approach, ensuring commercial usage rights and no copyright risks. Integrated into Creative Cloud, it offers text-to-image generation, content editing, and vector graphic creation. This strategic differentiation addresses professional market concerns, enhancing workflow efficiency and reliability. Firefly's launch led to over 100 million image generations, showcasing rapid market adoption. Adobe's market value surged by $7.2 billion, reflecting strong investor confidence. Revenue growth hit 15%, fueled by Creative Cloud subscriptions and artificial intelligence features. Notably, 90% of enterprise customers integrated Firefly into their workflows, underscoring its impact on creative processes. Adobe's decision to build rather than buy ensured control over training data, fostering ethical compliance and trust. This approach preserved ecosystem value and brand consistency. Acquisition would have been viable if time to market was crucial or if Adobe lacked artificial intelligence capabilities. However, waiting was not an option due to rapid market adoption and shifting customer expectations. Adobe's strategic vision recognized generative artificial intelligence as both an opportunity and a threat, aligning development with ethical values and professional user needs. By using clean training data and transparency tools, Adobe integrated artificial intelligence across its product suite, enhancing workflows and setting new industry standards for ethical artificial intelligence in creative tools. Strategic agility is crucial for leaders facing disruptive technologies, ensuring alignment with brand identity. Adobe's customer-centric approach safeguarded its ecosystem, differentiating its artificial intelligence in a crowded market. The build versus buy decision focuses on control, maintaining differentiation and quality. Adobe's Firefly model exemplifies responsible innovation, transforming challenges into industry leadership. Business leaders must evaluate how new technologies align with core values and assess their unique market position. Identify opportunities to lead, not just follow, and leverage existing strengths while embracing new capabilities. Set standards that reflect brand values and communicate your strategic vision clearly to stakeholders, ensuring responses strengthen customer trust and shape market dynamics. Adobe's approach to generative artificial intelligence exemplifies navigating disruption with integrity. By aligning innovation with core values, Adobe turned potential threats into strategic advantages. Sustainable competitive advantage stems from understanding identity and principles. Leaders who adapt rapidly while making principled decisions will thrive, building lasting value in an ever-evolving technological landscape. Thank you for joining the Skilled Master of Business Administration Strategy series. Subscribe for more insights on navigating strategic crossroads in today's digital economy. Stay informed and empowered.